talk about ways to make money from your detailing business when you're out of town or on vacation. So I tried a few of these options and it didn't work. So I just want to give you guys an idea of things that you can try and maybe it'll work for you. So one of the first ways that you can make money from your detailing business when you're on vacation is, for one, just save your money. Try to save your money. That way when you go on vacation, you don't need to worry about making money when you're gone. So yeah, that's the first option. It seems self-explanatory. So yeah, let's move on to the second one. The second option will be bringing on another detailing company so you can subcontract those jobs for a percentage. So I actually did try this with one guy, and the reason that it didn't work is because he was always busy on his own job, so he couldn't get to my customers without setting something up for another day. And that's fine, but I just didn't know him well enough to continue to keep calling him every time something would go by. Otherwise, I would just think that maybe my customers would wait on me to come back into town. So yeah, so the next option would just be another self-explanatory way would be hiring another team. That way that when you go on, they can continue to work your customers, and you of course make your money from their hourly rate or whatever agreement that you have with your employees. So for me, that's not an option because I only run out of my personal vehicle, which is also my commercial vehicle, which is my pickup truck. So that's not an option for me until I expand my business a little bit more. So and those are the only options I see. Right? Okay, so another option is 3. For me, I set up a parent company or a second company that actually sells auto accessories. It's a great niche, and also it aligns with what I'm doing with the detailing. So I thought it would be great to add that to my company. I haven't done too much marketing on it, and I have received a couple sales here and there. It's not enough to quit my job or anything like that, but it's definitely another option that's going to continue to put money into it every now and then. So that's a great option. If it's not car accessory, maybe car parts. I have that on my website as well. If it's not that, then maybe detailing equipment. If you want to refer detail equipment to your audience or your people, that's a great option as well. So yeah, that's another way to make money when you're on vacation in the detailing business. Another option will be YouTube. So this is something new that I'm trying, and I actually like it. So it's building my communication skills. It is also outlining with my social proof that we talked about in my previous video. So make sure you guys watch to the end and then find that video, social proof pickup truck detailing. So yeah, just create my social proof within my business. So yeah, YouTube is another option. I heard some detailers make from 5,000 and up, maybe less than that, but I actually know proof that some detailers make that a month from YouTube. So I'm getting on it. I'm gonna push it. I hope you guys follow me on my journey and support me. Make sure you like and subscribe, man. So yeah, this is another video from Smart Watchful with Detailing, and I'm gonna just drop some videos, maybe some clips in this video from the cars that I detailed today. Make sure you like and subscribe, man. See you next time.